Yes, dear students, here I am going to tell you about equations of uniformly accelerated linear motion. Motion in a straight line, uniform acceleration. Actually, I have noticed people get confused about uniform acceleration. What does it mean? Means constant acceleration. ये भी कंफ्यूज करता है और कांस्टेंट acceleration means I told you whenever we say there is acceleration in the motion, I told very frankly that whenever velocity of a body changes with respect to time, then there is acceleration. If velocity changes as time passes, then we say there is acceleration in the motion. And we denote by vector A. If I vector A or T suffix, it means acceleration changing with time. And that is not constant acceleration. And if there is acceleration, then velocity 100% changing with time. So here uniform acceleration means there is a uniform change in velocity, means velocity changing with time at a fixed rate. Linear motion here, motion in straight line. Actually acceleration related with velocity. And I told you magnitude of instantaneous velocity. Magnitude of instantaneous velocity v or is equal to speed at that distance, is equal to speed at that particular time. Velocity, magnitude of velocity, which is velocity, instantaneous velocity, is speed. Here, while deriving the equation, I will take only magnitude, although these equations are true for vector form of velocity. There are different methods of, in class 9-10 you have learnt V and U. What is V? There you go write final velocity, initial velocity. But if I write in place of V, Vt1, sorry, Vt2 is for final and Vt1 for initial. So here T2 is later time than T1. Actually there are some problems in our NCERT book and somewhere else also, which can be easily solved if we understand this concept of Vt1, Vt2. So I take here concept of writing Vt. If there is Vt, T there, then it means velocity at time T, and at other time it will be another velocity. I write A here, constant acceleration. So I will take only magnitude of acceleration A. So for first equation, so we can write here that a body is moving with constant acceleration. Constant acceleration. I think you understand and suffix acceleration A in a straight line. Straight line. The velocity of body at time T1 and T2 B is simply write on this thing. at time t1 and t2 be vt1 and vt2 respectively. Please make your write neat and clean, not beautiful. If it is neat clean, it appears beautiful. So be very careful. What I have told here, body moving on straight path with constant acceleration. Here, acceleration constant है. At time t1, t2, velocity here are vt1 and vt2 are the magnitude of velocity. Velocity of body we can write like this, है ना? तो magnitude नहीं लिखा तो understood है. Now from definition of acceleration. From definition of acceleration. We can write क्या A is equal to Vt2 minus Vt1 upon T2 minus T1. Here T2 and T1 are suffixes. Vt1 ये थोड़ा बच्चे क्या करते हैं देख रहे हैं V छोटा T1 ऐसा करते हैं ना ये wrong है. V should be have higher height than T. You should write like this. So it is simply matter of writing. Or Vt2 minus Vt1 is equal to A into T2 minus T1. Or Vt2 is equal to Vt1 plus A into T2 minus T1. This is equation 1. Dear students, learn these things. Our students are nowadays in habit of not learning, not cramming. Once you have understood the topic, then you have to learn the step taken to obtain any equation or any other thing. So please, what we teach here, what you see in the video, please make note of this in your copy and write it again yourself. It is a golden chance for you. This computer has made communication so easy and fast. Wherever you are, you will get the information from your any person almost instantly. In our time, information system was very slow. We wrote letter that may reach the person, may be delivered to the person after a month, after 6 months, like that. So please take advantage of these videos. Actually, I am working for those children which cannot afford to go from one place to another. You may afford money, but problem is there of conveyance, going to different places, it take times. And tutor may be living at distance of 10 kilometers or 5 kilometers from you. So please take advantage of this. You will get everything in my videos. I am working hard, although I got tired, but I have resolved that I have to do work now for society. Okay, I will get something from this, but that is not important for me. So this is first equation. Now in this equation, we may write if T1 equal to 0, so T2 equal to T. Then equation 1 can also written Vt is equal to V0 plus AT, which you have studied in class 9, V equal to U plus AT. This equation you have learned in this form. So Vt2, Vt1, while writing this method, we not need to know which one initial, which one final. So this is first equation. Now we come second equation. Actually, what is the need of these? If body moving with constant velocity, then there is no need to do anything. Simply we know distance by v equal to फिर u रहेगा, a तो 0 होगा. At every time, by say car is moving at 80 km per hour, if that remains constant, what is it at 7 p.m. That it will be same at 7:15 p.m. It will be at 8 p.m. But if there is acceleration, then velocity will be changing. So we can find out the velocity later time like this. Similarly, distance traveled, you know, जो displacement था, that simply v into delta t. In simple word, you can say a distance traveled equal to speed in time. But if velocity changes at constant rate, then you can't apply this, because which speed we should take. For that, we will be deriving second equation in next video, because otherwise it will become lengthy. So let me upload this.